Welcome back, Commodore fans. Today I'm going to do a quick update on my 1541 Navigator app, which is available on the Mac App Store. A quick summary in case you haven't seen the previous videos. 1541 Navigator can read and display the contents of Commodore D64 and D71 disk image files. You open an image file from either the menu, or you can drag and drop an image file in the window to display the file list. The list can be sorted by clicking on the column header you wish to sort by. The file name will always be used as the secondary key when sorting by any other column. The list can also be restored back to the original order by clicking on the Revert button. Once a disk image has been loaded, you can display the contents of any file by clicking on it. You have 5 different views to choose from. Basic, which is what we're looking at right now, Machine Language, Hexadecimal, PETSCII characters, and Screen Code characters, or POKE characters. These last 2 views will extract printable text from any file and should be able to display any word processor file. For instance, here is an EasyScript document which uses the PETSCII character codes. And here is a SpeedScript document that uses the POKE code characters. Okay, now that we're all caught up, let's see what's new. First off, I don't think I mentioned this in any previous video, but 1541 Navigator can automatically switch between light and dark modes on the fly. I'll go into my system settings here and switch them now. Okay, let's leave it on dark mode for the remainder of this demonstration. When viewing basic programs, the keywords are now color-coded for easy identification. Basic 2.0 keywords are blue, and Basic 7.0 specific keywords, as seen in this Commodore 128 program, are color-coded in red. 1541 Navigator can also display extended basic commands from Simon's Basic, such as these 2 files, and from the VIC and 64 Super Expander cartridges. Navigator can now parse and display Vision Basic programs. This is the coin program used in my previous video. The Vision Basic keywords are color-coded red, and inline assembly code is green. And finally, let's take a look at a machine language program. Navigator will now add comments identifying common kernel routines and addresses in the disassembly. It may not be perfect, but could be helpful when analyzing code. If you're not a Mac user, then what are you waiting for? I'm just kidding with you. You use what you want. I also created a Windows version of 1541 Navigator because I use PCs and Macs interchangeably. The Windows version has the exact same functionality as the Mac version does, except there is no dark mode, and the Windows version is not yet available as it still needs some final tweaks. If you made it this far in the video, that's great. And if you're interested, I have a trial version of 1541 Navigator for both Mac and Windows available for download right now. The link is in the description below. The trial version will only display Basic 2.0 programs. No programs with extended basic keywords will be parsed and displayed as a basic program. Instead, you will see this message in the viewer pane. However, the other views will display the file data. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and as always, be careful out there.